come over to the window, my little darling? I'd like to try to read your palm. I used to think I was some kind of gypsy boy before I let you take me home. Now so long, Marilyn, it's time we began to laugh and cry and cry and laugh about it all again. Well, you know that I love to live with you.